Today's topic is methods of marketing securities. Reason that we are doing this topic is so that we come to know that how a company manages to market its securities. First of all, let us study what are marketable securities. Marketable securities are unrestricted financial instruments which can be readily sold on a stock exchange. Marketable securities are very liquid, that is, they can be easily bought or sold. Examples of marketable securities include commercial paper, bankers' acceptances, treasury bills, and other money market instruments. Besides, we are aware that equity shares are readily traded on the stock exchange. But first, let us study the securities market too. The securities market can be broadly divided into the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is also called as the new issue market, whereas the secondary market is commonly called as the stock exchange. The difference between the primary market and the secondary market. The major point of difference is that the securities that are offered to public for subscription in the primary market are for the purpose of raising capital, whereas in the secondary market already existing securities are traded and the purpose is capital appreciation. We are studying 7 broad methods of marketing securities. Pure prospectus method, exclusively from the general public. Offer for sale, sale to intermediaries at agreed price. Private placement, not more than 50. Brought out deals, same as private placement but for unlisted. Rights issue is for existing shareholders. Bonus issue is nothing but the accumulated reserve and surplus of profits converted into paid up capital. Book building method, merchant banker qualified institutional buyers, price bids, free to determine private placement and public subscription portion. These were the 7 methods. Let us study them carefully. IPO, also called as the initial public offer. The public issue made by the corporate entity for the first time in its life is called IPO. Under this method of marketing, securities are issued to successful applicants on the basis of the orders placed by them through their brokers. We will study the entire detailed process of IPO in the further lectures. But first, it is important to know that IPO means where the investors are directly applying for the shares. Offer for sale method. First stage, the issuer company makes an en bloc sale of securities to intermediaries such as the issue houses and stockbrokers at an agreed price. Second stage, the securities are resold to ultimate investors at market related price. The difference between the purchase price and the issue price constitutes profit for the intermediaries. Point to be noted here is that offer for sale method is indirect method of marketing securities. Company, that is the issuer company, makes the sale through the help of brokers or intermediaries, which in turn make the sale to the ultimate buyers. Thus we can say that this is an indirect method of marketing securities. Private placement method. The private offering of a security to a small group of buyers is called as private placement method. A method of marketing securities whereby the issuer makes the offer of sale to individuals and institutions privately without the issue of a prospectus. Point to be noted here is that there is no prospectus in this method. Also, there is no advertisement for this method. It is less expensive and the concentration of securities is in a few hands. That is, the sale happens very much privately. to a small group of buyers. Bought out deals. It is a method of marketing securities through which an unlisted company can make an outright sale of a chunk, that is, a large portion of equity shares to a single sponsor. This is known as bought out deal method of marketing securities. That means a single institution or a single buyer invests a large portion of money to buy the equity shares of the issuer company. Right issue. In simple terms, when a company taps into the existing shareholders for additional capital and issues shares at a discount, particularly for these existing shareholders, we call it as rights issue. What happens here is that the existing shareholders are offered new shares at reduced prices, that means at discounted rates, and thus we can say that this is specially for the existing shareholders of the company. Book building method. The quantum and the price of securities to be issued is decided by bids. That is, share price is determined by the real demand. Bids are invited from prospective investors. We will study the book building method in detail in the further lectures. But for now, it is important and enough to know that in book building method, the price is not predetermined. That means the price is decided based on the demand, that is, bids are invited, and based on the various bids, there is a technical procedure with the help of which they decide the final price of the security. Points to be remembered. The main purpose of stock market is to use temporarily free cash for investment purposes. Now, how we do this? Professional investors in the securities market help investors to do this. Who are the professional investors who help? They are the brokers, dealers, trustees, organizations that provide depository services, registrars, and organizers of trading in the securities market. Stock exchanges play an extremely important backbone role in the securities market, concentrating around themselves in varying degrees all types of organizations that carry out professional activities in the stock market. This is all for this lecture. Thank you.